Nigerian music star Davido wowed fans and important guests during a special event held in Lagos called Dangote Cement Customer Awards and Gala Night. Davido, whose real name is David Adeleke, performed some of his hit song at the glamorous party. But what really got people talking was a video showing him greeting many dignitaries at the event. In the video, Davido walked around the VIP table and politely shook hands with several big names, including Aliko Dangote, the richest man in Africa, and several current and former governors. What surprised many was that all the leaders stood up to greet him in return, a rare sign of respect for a performer. The video quickly went viral on social media. Many fans praised Davido for being humble and respectful. Others were happy to see how powerful and successful he has become. People also noticed how Dangote smiled proudly while watching Davido perform. Some fans believe it's because Dangote is a godfather figure to the singer. What's your opinion regarding Davido's gesture? Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.